guys.
This is my dinner.
This is my Arella.
Thank you, Body.
Oh, baka tamaan ako. Yeah, for today's video, we have our kwentuhan. And I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Mahiga naman kaya tayo. I want to lay down. Okay. What do you enjoy giving to people?
Food? For the beggar?
Yeah, for example, kasi no,
Food.
napaka-general no ng tao no. O,
Food.
sige. What do you enjoy giving to beggars?
Food.
Food. Yeah, very good.
Shelter.
Shelter? Yes, maybe right. Because, why?
They don't have shelter and they cannot live without
Ayun,
food.
sila.
They cannot live with food and they don't have shelter to live. And they will, if they die first, they will get sick. And when they get sick, they will die. And I'll give them medicine.
Okay, so, lahat binigay na natin, ano? Bibigyan natin sila ng food.
Money.
Bibigyan natin sila ng money. Bibigyan natin sila ng shelter.
Medicine.
And bibigyan natin sila ng medicine.
And first aid kit. Do not forget that.
Okay, napaka-generous naman ni Arella, di ba? Nakita nyo. Oh, paano pa kaya sila magtatrabaho kung bibigyan naman natin lahat? How will they strive for their lives?
Then let's give them a lot of food.
Ha?
Let's give them money and food and shelter, right?
Okay. So, sanay kasi si Arella na every time we are on the streets, traveling, pag may
But Mama said, you know what she said? Luna, dumi ng kamay niya. Di ba? Selfish ko.
hindi naman. Parang may one time lang na sobrang dumi yata nung beggar. Pero binigyan din naman natin yun Sinabi ko ba, wag kong bigyan? Binigyan din naman natin yun. Siyempre, may iwas din tayo. Tsaka time yun nung may COVID yata. So, it's not all the time naman. Pero normally naman, pag nasa travel tayo, pag nakakita tayo ng beggars, we give them, what? Foods. Ano ba yung foods na lagi nating dala sa sasakyan?
Biscuit.
Ano po?
Biscuit.
Look here.
Biscuit.
Yan. Yun yung pinakamadali na hindi nasisira, na naka-ready na yun sa car namin. Na pag nag-travel kami, meron kaming mga biscuits na dala-dala at binibigay
Minsan
na.
nakakalimutan.
Minsan pag naubos, nakakalimutan magdala, pero lagi naman meron sa car. Okay. Diba? Nakita nyo ang generous ni Arella. Very good job. Keep it up. Okay? Thank you for watching our video. God bless. Arella, come here. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Say bye. Bye.